Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in today's video, I am freshly out of the shower and I am going to be reviewing products from this particular brand. They sent me a PR and they didn't want any video, so they just wanted me to try out and just give a shout out to them if I like the products. And I have been using them for a good 1 month's time and I have some thoughts and I want to share it with you guys. And now they have launched three new serums in their range, and I told them to only send two because they had a vitamin C one as well, and vitamin C unfortunately doesn't suit my skin, so I asked them to send these two over, and both are amazing in their own unique way. So let me just get started with each and every one. I did apply them however on two different dates because both of these ingredients cannot be paired with each other. By the way, this is a made in India brand, and the first product that we are going to be talking about is Porebright serum, and this is how it looks like. Now the hero ingredient of this particular one is azelaic acid. Now azelaic acid is good for those people who have a lot of pigmentation on their skin, for those people who have stubborn acne scars, who wouldn't go with no matter what ingredient you use. Azelaic acid will definitely help you with that. This particular product looks like this from the outer packaging. Very beautiful packaging. The best part about this particular brand is the details that they have mentioned over here, and not just that, they have mentioned the hero ingredient here and ingredients with the percentage that they have used in the product itself. That is what I really loved about this particular brand, and it can be paired with a lot of ceramides, peptides, and even you can start slowly introducing it with retinol, which is the second ingredient that I have. I don't use it together because I have very sensitive skin, and somewhat when I use azelaic and retinol together, my skin reacts and acts very weird, so I use them separately on separate days. So yeah, this is how it is looking like, and it has got a mild exfoliate in it, which is salicylic acid. If you are suffering from a flare up, or you're just getting rashes, or something has not worked out for your skin, you need something to calm it down, then this particular product will help you with that. There are days where we use so many ingredients on our face, and as it is, there is a lot of environmental pollutants and all of that, and our skin barrier gets damaged over a period of time. Our skin barrier definitely gets damaged, and to help with that, they have added ingredients in it. And apart from all of these things that they have already added, they have also added hydrating ingredients like glycerin. And apart from this, this is all that they have mentioned over here. So this will maintain pH of 4.5 to 5, and it is dermatologically approved, it is non-comedogenic, and it is pregnancy safe, it is vegan, it is cruelty free, it is alcohol free, and apart from this, this is gluten, nut, and hypoallergenic. And what it is not free from, like silicone, they have marked X, and formaldehyde releases, they have marked X, and if you have fungal acne, they have marked X. So that will not work for that. So when you open it, like, it's a whole experience having this packaging. Now you get more and more details. So how to use it and how to create a skincare routine with it, that they have mentioned. In this, they have included 14% of azelaic acid, and everything is mentioned. Like, if I go over every single thing, it will just be an entire video just for one product, and I don't want to do that. The price of this is 729 rupees, and you are getting 35 ml quantity of it, which is amazing. And again, when you open it even more, you have some more details over here. So when you buy the product, you can read everything for yourself. And finally, we will get to the inner packaging. This is how it looks like. It looks very, very beautiful, and this is mentioned that this is a step 3, that is, you treat with this particular product. And very beautiful packaging. Now how it opens is just, you have to twist it like this, like twist it like this and you get this pump sort of an applicator which is golden in color and it looks so stunning. Although it is a serum, but it is not a runny consistency. It is almost like this gel based consistency. Apply it nicely. This is how it looks like. So if you are an oily girly, then you don't need to pair it with a moisturizer, and you can just go ahead with this and apply a sunscreen and you should be done with it. I mostly use these in the night, but once in a while if you use it in the day, this has to be my most favorite one. If I have to choose between the two, this is to be really good because it has definitely faded a lot of my acne scars. As you can see, there are only these scars left from the new acne. The old acne has subsided, like only the new ones and some more stubborn ones are there, but they are slowly fading away, and that was amazing. So if you are having a very troubled skin where you're breaking out and you are having rashes and everything is going wrong with your skin, this particular one will definitely help you with that, because it's got so many things to do with your skin repair, that this will be a gem of a product. So that is why it is very good if you want to treat so many of your skin problems. Product that I have is this particular one. This is Smart Aging Complex from Truth in Beauty. Now the main ingredient on this is retinaldehyde, and the best part is that where they have sourced this particular retinaldehyde is also mentioned, same like how azelaic acid was also mentioned. They have a bunch of ingredients in this as well. I will not go through all of those ingredients, but the smart aging actives that they have used are 0.1% stabilized time releasing retinol and 0.5% bak oil and 20% ginseng extract. Bak oil is like this vegan retinol that you can derive, and I could definitely smell that bak oil smell. It has got a very unique scent to it. It's not a fragrance, it's a very unique scent, related to bak oil. Like it comes with that, right? So apart from this, they have included antioxidants and again skin soothing ingredients like xanthella sciatica, panthenol, allantoin, and all of that, and barrier restoring ingredients like soy derived phospholipids and a lot of things. They have included hydrating and skin protecting ingredients as well. So it is a very well thought of a product. It's not just they've just dumped a bunch of ingredients and called it a day and said, okay, this is what you have to use. So if you are a beginner and want to use this product, then you just have to sandwich it, meaning first apply a moisturizer, then go in with a retinol things from here, like the ingredients and all of that. And here they have mentioned the same things. X meaning it's not safe for a pregnancy and all of those things. Okay, now let's get to the packaging. This has to be the favorite packaging of mine because I like purple, and this is how it looks like. Very similar, only color schemes are different. This is Porebright and this is Smart Aging Complex, and this would be the step 3 of your skincare routine according to them. And this is how the packaging looks like. Very beautiful packaging. Now let me just put it on the back of my hand. This is how the serum looks like. Bak oil usually stains this color, this greeny color, and has got a prominent bak oil smell in it. So yeah, that is the ingredient. I will not be using it right now. I will share a clip with you of other day when I used this particular one. It's very similar. It's not, can you see, it's not a cream texture, but it's not a watery serum texture as well. It is somewhere in between. It's got this very light consistency, as you guys can see, gets very easily absorbed. So if you are somebody who has crossed the age of 25, then start slowly incorporating retinol in your routine and you will thank me later. These are both the products that I wanted to share it with you guys.
ओके यू गाइज, ये 2 दिन बाद का क्लिप है जब मैं रेटिनॉल अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर लिया है, बट द राइट वे ऑफ अप्लाइंग रेटिनॉल इज़ टू ऑलवेज यूज़ अ पी साइज, मटर जितना साइज रेटिनॉल, एंड प्राइमरली अप्लाई इट ऑन योर चीक्स and your neck area as well. Like just go about it on everywhere and avoid your under eye area. Now retinol primarily will help you in anti-aging.
If you are looking for a well thought of product that will target many skin concerns of yours, then do pick up these. You can also pick up the vitamin C serum if vitamin C is your jam, or is if that works for you. But these two have worked so very well on my skin and I have absolutely loved them, and I thought I will give a shout out to them and share it with you guys. So in case you were looking for something similar, then you can might as well try these ones. So with that, I will end this particular video. I hope I have answered all of your questions, and if I did, let me know in the comments. And if you have used it or started to use it, or if you have purchased it after seeing my video, do let me know in the comments as well. So I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling. Mwah.